What's up guys, welcome to Lundy Boxing, and today I'm giving you guys my prediction on the Errol Spence versus Yordenis Ugas fight that will be happening on April 16. So let's get into it. So Errol Spence is currently the WBC and IBF champion of the world. He stands at 5'9" with a 72-inch reach. He currently has a record of 27-0, including 21 wins coming by way of knockout. Yordenis Ugas is currently the WBA Super World Champion at 147 pounds, so welterweight. He stands at 5'9" with a 69-inch reach. He has a record of 27 wins, 4 losses, including 12 wins coming by way of knockout. So I'll say it right away, and I won't sugarcoat it. I think that Errol Spence will have 3 out of the 4 belts in the welterweight division. I see him beating Ugas on April 16. Spence is the younger fighter. He's 32 and Ugas is 35. Not only is he younger, but Spence has also beaten a higher caliber of opponents compared to Ugas. Spence was able to stop Chris Algieri, who was a former champ. He was able to beat a prime Kell Brook in the UK and knock him out. He stopped Lamont Peterson, and he was able to outbox a much smaller Mikey Garcia for 12 rounds. He had some difficulty with Sean Porter, but he still managed to get that split decision win. And he was also able to beat Danny Garcia after a 1-year layoff because of that car accident. Stylistically, Spence should be able to beat Yordenis Ugas just because he's a come-forward fighter who likes to drum the body from round 1 to 12. That really slows down his opponents in the long run. Spence is also able to outbox his opponents. We've seen it against Mikey Garcia. Spence was able to keep his distance against a smaller Mikey Garcia thanks to his right jab, and he was able to land that straight left all night long. Given that Yordenis Ugas isn't a pressure fighter, he's more of an outside fighter and he's very passive, I think that we're going to see the aggressive Spence on April 16. He'll be coming forward, drumming that body and keeping Ugas on the ropes all night long. Although I'm favoring Errol Spence to win this fight, we can't overlook Yordenis Ugas. Ugas did shock the world in his last fight when he beat the 42-year-old Manny Pacquiao, crowning him the WBA Super Champion at 147 pounds. Ugas is a master boxer who's able to neutralize and outbox his opponents. However, he has a very passive style due to his Cuban school style. Cuban boxers tend to be very passive, such as Guillermo Rigondeaux and Erislandy Lara. In my opinion, if Yordenis Ugas wants a shot of winning this fight, he'll have to let his hands go. I don't think he'll be able to knock Errol Spence out, given his very low knockout percentage. However, if Ugas does let his hands go, he risks getting hit by a counter shot by Errol Spence and finding himself on the canvas. Ugas did lose to Sean Porter by split decision because Sean Porter was able to apply constant pressure all fight long, and he was just outworking Ugas. I think that Errol Spence will be able to do the same thing that Sean Porter did and just outwork Ugas for 12 rounds. So in conclusion, I have Errol Spence winning this fight by decision just because in 4 losses, Ugas never got knocked out, meaning that he's very hard to be put on the canvas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more boxing content like this one. Peace out.